Okay ladies, now we're doing the inserts for the 2 pocket pages. So you need 2 pieces. I should have cut it the other way, but never mind. 2 pieces of 7 by 7. These go into your pockets like so. Now what I do to these, I use all my scraps on them, corner round with the right corner bit, corner the edges like so. Now all I'm going to do is I'm going to take a piece of this, I'm going to cut it at 1 inch, 2 pieces at 1 inch, cut them both to 6 and 7/8, corner round them, take one of my pages, and that will fit on there with just a smidgen all round. Getting that? So of course the first thing I do, ink. I'm only going to show you how to do one bit because no need for me to bore you with all of it. You glue your piece on here. You can get a little tiny bit of black all the way around. Okay. Now you could, if you wanted to, that would be quite nice on one other side. So if I cut that, you'd put in a whole page on, cut it to 6 3/4 by 6 and 7/8, and then see where this didn't go out in a kit because there was a mark on it. Ink. So glue that down. There you go. And once you've done them and covered them, because you can put photos on here, writing, whatever, they go inside your page like so. Now if you wanted to, you could put a tab on there, but I feel that's enough like that. And obviously you decorate both sides. So one, I would put this one that way because it was better if you've got, everything seems to go in better when you've got the, go. There, so that matches that. And then you've got the blue germs. Ooh. There you go. Blue germs match that one. And then it's only that. Oh, there it is. And then you've got one there too. One there 3, one there 2. Wherever put the page.